A local gym is going the extra step to keep members safe. How the air filtration system works. COVID-19 forced businesses to work differently. Companies have come up with special equipment to prevent the spread of the virus. One local gym implemented an air sanitizer on top of regular cleaning and safety protocols. J&D Fitness on Fort Apache near Flamingo is a boutique gym. It's smaller than other larger facilities around town. Small classes are in a small space, so social distancing and cleaning is enhanced. The air sanitizer will clean the air by killing 90%, they say, of airborne viruses.
People are exercising, they're exerting, but then it's staying, that moisture staying within the air. And that's why I wanted to go about trying to do our best to improve the filtration system that we have here. We weren't going to have the, access to go and change the actual filtering system. So our goal was to sanitize the air that these people are breathing so that within 15 minutes, we know that all the germs and airborne things that are sitting here, we have the actual opportunity to do that. The air sanitizer we use is actually the one that they use that's been certified by NASA.
It's often used in hospitals and restaurants. When it comes to equipment, the gym is using UV wands to clean things as well.